Starting off tonight about distracted driving, and this is kind of the area that you guys working with personal injury cases. I didn't know this. Almost 8% of all crashes deal with some kind of distracted driver.
Sure.
Dangerous.
Sure. I mean, I dare say it's even more than that.
Maybe.
I mean, the sheer volume of distracted driving cases that we see that result in motor vehicle wrecks are just amazing. You know, there's always something that distracts someone from something. Either it can be just quite, you know, they're daydreaming, or they can be, you know, in just, you know, looking at something else, or just looking down the road, or not paying attention. But overwhelmingly, the biggest thing that we see are people that are using mobile phones, cell phones, texting. There are laws on the books against texting while driving. They're not particularly effective. We were looking at a hands-free law that was coming through our legislature, and some enhanced, you know, texting laws, but they didn't make it through because the legislature was cut by COVID. We're going to see that hopefully in the future. But you also see just basic things, you know, adjusting the radio, or you know, people that are, you know, distracted by wrecks coming up, or distracted by something that's outside the vehicle. We see that all the time in terms of where, you know, causing motor vehicle wrecks. And the big thing about distracted driving cases is that they can bring additional damages. So it's not just a negligent situation. It's a willful or wanton conduct. It's a conscious disregard for the rights and safety of other people while you're operating a motor vehicle. And that can bring punitive damages, which may not be covered by your insurance policy. So, you know, there are lots of things to think about when you're you know, in the car. Just put the phone down until you get to where you want to be.
It's so tempting. We're used to doing stuff all day long. We just need to put it down. Get where you're going
put it down
safely.